Hello. Whether we like it or not, emails have most definitely changed the way we communicate. It is a great tool if we are able to control it in the best possible way. I often hear how many people feel totally overwhelmed by the amount of email they receive on a daily basis. It can become very difficult to make the distinction between which emails are important when you receive so many of them. On average, a person, particularly in a professional setting, will receive about 121 emails per day, according to 2024 research from Venngage. That's why I want to talk about email etiquette today. That should be reinforced in every organization. Aside from punctuation, grammar mistakes, and forgetting mentioned attachments, here are 3 of the most annoying email habits. Number 1, replying to all. Have you ever received an email that said thank you to everyone on the email list? Why unnecessarily contribute to a full email inbox? Number 2, sending long rambling emails. Keep it short and simple. Make sure the email is well organized and structured with bullet points to make it easier for the recipient to read. Number 3, firing off angry emails. This demonstrates a tremendous lack of emotional control. Don't speak when you are angry because the words spoken cannot be taken back. But when you send an angry email, the person will have it in writing. Very different to face-to-face conversation, the receiver of an email will determine the meaning of the email, which can be very tricky at times. If it's a challenging situation, I encourage you to choose a face-to-face conversation or a video call over email. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.